Hi guys, Mike from Motabitz Accessories in Ferndown, Dorset here. We are part of the KENWOOD Pro Install system and just showing you the DNX7190DABS unit that we fitted into a customer's vehicle. This has actually gone into a 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser, not your common everyday car. I've actually fitted two of the CMOS 230 cameras, rear one into the factory position, as you can see in the spare wheel cover. We fitted the front one on the front bumper, as the customer wants to use these for parking assistance just under the front ledge there. As you can see, these interface really nicely with the 7190. There is quite a nice crossover for the cameras for parallel parking, which I'll show you in a moment. Just get the unit booted up. As you can see, fits nicely in the dash. A simple fascia trim, available for almost all makes and models nowadays. The unit itself has all of the usual things that you would expect to see from KENWOOD. It has got nav by Garmin, as you can see on the screen, DAB, DAB+, AM, FM radio, CD, DVD, USB, Bluetooth, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, all of the normal suspect stuff really. Very, very well packaged unit. Very, very nice looking. So from the main screen, you've got your standard settings menu here, or rather source I should say. That will take you to your source selection. Again, you've also got HDMI and AV in should you want to use it. Customer for this vehicle actually asked me to put a AV input into the glove box, which I've done. He plans to run an auxiliary item from that, so that'll give him the freedom to be able to do. The unit itself has 3 camera inputs, so that allows for the front and rear cameras plus his auxiliary. It does also have dash cam compatibility as well, although we are using the forward channel for parking purposes in this instance. Let me show you the camera, because I think that's quite impressive. I think a lot of people like that. So upon selecting reverse gear, we're automatically shown rear view of the vehicle for backing up. We've got parking guidelines which can be adjusted forward and back, left and right. You can widen them, narrow them, adjust the angle that the lines travel in, so that you can adjust to incorporate all different vehicle types, height of camera, so on and so forth. The most impressive thing for the front parking, when we drop the vehicle out of reverse, it will now show us the front camera. This is adjustable. You can have it set at 10 seconds, 15 or 20. That just allows you to parallel park with a good view of the front of the vehicle, rear of the vehicle, obviously back into reverse, and it shows us again. So I've left this set at 15 seconds on the front camera, which is the default setting, but obviously quite quick to change from each camera, which is nice. That's a wrap, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much.